Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2015 Nissan Murano. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your tail light bulbs in your tail light. So we're gonna work on this light right here. So let's start. Let's open the trunk. And for this procedure what we're gonna need 10mm socket with the ratchet, and you might need like I use butter knife, works well for me. So what we have to do, we have to remove this plastic right here. Okay, I already took this one before off, that's why it comes off easy. Yours might not come off that easy, but as you can see there are pins right here which are holding it down. So I would start with this side and just gradually just taking it off. Next step is we have to remove these two screws. Okay, so we take our 10mm ratchet and the socket and remove these two screws. Okay, once you got these two out, next step is we have to remove the light. Usually lights slide towards you. In this case is way easier. You just the pins go inside like that. So what we're gonna just carefully undo it. Okay, as you can see, it just goes in these spots. Okay, now we have access to our bulbs. So for example, if you have to replace one, you just spin it, pull out and pull off with your fingers, pull off this bulb, replace it. You can find the replacement bulbs in the parts stores or eBay, dealer. Okay, so you just go and tell them which part you need, they're gonna give it to you. Turn signal right here. Okay, same way, just take it with the fingers, peel it off. It's better to use gloves if you can, not to leave any oils on the bulbs. Now spin it till it clicks and you're all set. Once you are done, what you have to do, you have to again align these pins with the holes. Okay, just slide it in. You can tap a little bit on it, and after that two bolts back in place and put the cover back on. As you can see, it's very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. Okay guys, so I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.